Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In my last video I experimented with coloring air dry clay with using all sort of things like spices, coffee, tea and makeup. You should definitely check that video out, the link is in the description. I had a bit of colored clay left over, so I decided to use it to make a colorful bowl. I started by playing around with the colors until I found a combination I liked. Then I pressed the clay pieces together and rolled them out with a rolling pin. I was a bit worried about whether the pieces would stay joined, and I had to score and scratch a few spots together when they weren't sticking properly. Next, I trimmed the edges. I kept a beautiful wavy edge following the natural round shapes of clay balls. I transferred the clay sheet onto some plastic wrap and placed the whole thing inside a bowl so it would dry into a nice round shape. Using plastic wrap makes it super easy to pop the finished clay bowl out later. Once the clay was completely dry, I smoothed out the edges with sandpaper. Make sure to wear a dust mask if you're sanding, as it gets pretty dusty. After that, I just wiped off the dust. Finally, I sealed the bowl with a glossy varnish. The varnish really brings out the colors and makes them pop beautifully. And we're done. I think it turned out so cute. I absolutely love the colors, and you can create so many gorgeous color combination with this technique. Definitely check out my coloring air dry clay video if you want to see how I made these colors. This bowl is perfect for holding jewelry or other little knickknacks. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!